Better YouTube.
This fiberglass inside the box. We got 5 layers worth of fiberglass in that bit. We still got to cut out one more hole for the port. I don't know if you can see it around there. Yeah, you can see it. One more hole for the port. We got another top layer to put on. That's the 18 box going in the Shush hole. We got Mike out here from Light 'em Up Group.
Light 'em up 843.
Light 'em Up 843. What's your YouTube channel?
Light 'em up 843 game.
Light 'em Up 843 game. That's Mikey.
About to start this off.
We got a professional box builder over here. You got any questions about your box? Let's go over here. Yeah, that shit is loud as hell. We snatched the box out of the Nissan. Them batteries was dead. So we snatched it out. Turn around. We got the Scar, like I told y'all. Scar 2500.
Well, you wanted them to cut this out? Perfect.
And y'all hear him talking shit? He like that.
It is. That bitch is perfect.
Professional box builder right there. Don't talk shit, he'll whip your ass.
That shit lined up perfect. I ain't gonna whip nobody ass. I'll shoot your ass. Fight.
Okay.
Ain't never too
We got another 4x4 for the truck. We got a Sundown SA12. He over there talking trash, y'all. Let's go over here so y'all can hear this. We got the top and the bottom. That look like a big damn box. Look at him. When his hair roll up, that mean he thinking hard.
Fuck you, ugly bitch.
Let me show you. This the other mastermind behind it, Superman right here. Cause his shit stay rolling up.
Size 20.5 by 46.
Dreads. They really thinking today, y'all. Look at this.
We got that much.
See the curls?
20.5. Pencil.
Okay, they brainstorming together, so they peas rolling up. I can't talk. Mine damn got gray all over the place. Stressing the fuck out over this motherfucker right here. Excuse my French. We gonna music that over. But the box is out of the truck. I told y'all that this bit was massive.
He cracked the windshield.
You know what I'm saying? We ain't even turned it on yet, and we broke something. This ain't for the book. This for the tube.
Oh, so why you live for YouTube? You ain't stressing out about that box. That box almost done.
We just started fiberglass and we inside the box now, yo. Yeah, we got everything fiberglassed up. It look ugly in here. But I guarantee you, I tell you, we gotta cut that hole right here for this sub, not for the sub, but for the porthole. We also gotta do a top plate. But look, this stuff is literally dry, yo, and we just put it on. And I'm using regular resin and shit. This right here, 2 days ago, that was with the sun flash from SMD. I give it props. That mug worked, yo. We did that, this, and that section over there with the sun flash. We did this with the regular resin. You know what I'm saying? We got a sheet left. So it's going in here.
You can't.
Which I need to get somebody in here with a sander to sand this floor all the way down, so this box can slide on ice.
You can't get everybody to do everything for you now. You gotta do some stuff on your own.
I'm supervising.
Yeah, supervising my behind.
Trying to stay in the shade. I'm too fat and black for that shit.
You better get out that shade. That coronavirus don't like the heat.
That's Joker. Stay talking shit.
Coronavirus don't like the heat. That's the only reason
Coronavirus got his tape up line like that. That's why.
And we still got to do the door pod on the door.
Which my front battery is still a factory battery and is turnaround charging at the right voltage, but my back batteries was at 0. I thought they was doing it. You know what I'm saying? So over here, we got another plate to go on top of this box. Basically, we got 2 layers in here right now. 2 layers of regular sanded pine. We're gonna drop another layer on top of this because of the fact that I'm gonna say Gary did it. Point at to show him Gary. That nigga right there with the peasy head.
You can't say that on
That nigga right
YouTube.
there. That nigga there, he cut this hole right here, making it look like an egg shape. Get it from a good view. You see that egg shape? He messed that hole up, and we had to do all the rest of them the right way. So, you know, I gotta blame it on somebody, not myself. Inside, we did fiberglass. We did this one. We did this one right here with the sun flash, which, you know, it ain't sticky. It had been done 2 days ago, but it dried instantly once the sunlight hit it. Down here, we did it with the regular resin, which this is also dry too. No stickiness on the fingers. Look, whole handprint. No stickiness. We also did down here. Look at that. Whole hand on that bit. No stickiness. This was just done down here. So look. Whole hand. No stickiness. That bit dry already. Even these brushes right here.
They dry?
Done dried to the damn truck. Look at this shit. Mikey, come and get this shit out of here.
What?
It's stuck, fucker.
Oh shit.
I don't know why y'all dumbasses left the brushes inside the box anyway.
See, look at that. Now I got a titty hole in my damn fiberglass. So, that jackass left the damn thing in there. So, like, comment,